To find your Tonkeeper wallet address, follow these steps. Open the Tonkeeper app. Launch the Tonkeeper app on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the setup process. Access the main wallet screen. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main wallet screen. This is where you can view your balances and transactions. Find the Receive button. On the main wallet screen, look for the Receive button. This option allows you to receive cryptocurrencies into your Tonkeeper wallet. Tap on the Receive button to proceed. Copy your wallet address. After tapping Receive, the app will display your Tonkeeper wallet address for the supported cryptocurrencies. You can select TON as your desired token to receive. The app will show your unique wallet address, which you can copy by tapping the copy icon next to it. Use the address for transfers. Now that you have your wallet address, you can use it to receive TON or other compatible tokens into your Tonkeeper wallet.